use this whenever we turn over a bed. We always fork it. It's going to add air to the soil. Also, I do it before I add the dried amendments so I can get amendments down into those holes. Just a little bit. We're talking about a small percentage, but it's nice to have some drop. Quicken up the process of the layers moving through the soil, of having the organic material fall deeper and deeper down. This is 30 inches, so it's the width of the bed, and it needs to be pushed down so that this bar hits the soil, right? You want it all the way in. If your tines are 12 inches, then each fork should be 12 inches apart, right? You can do it where you step on the bed. You know, I like to do it where I'm not stepping on the bed, and it gets easier and easier where you can, you know, really do it. You can do it with just 1 foot, push it in, it's really easy. Once you have no rocks and it's been aerated a lot. And just move down the bed. And when you're pulling the Broadfork back, you just do it until the soil cracks. If that happens immediately, then that's all you need to do. If you need to go a little lower, then you do it when it's a little bit lower. But the soil conditions would change. So it's not how far back you go, it's just whether it gives a little crack to the soil. These do not work well against rocks. So you always want to get a shovel, dig out the rock, continue to Broadfork. And we do a lot of Broadforking in the spring when we have more time, so that's really the time we get rid of rocks.